In this video, I'm going to walk through the process of creating a site in the screening module of the Ecosystem Intelligence platform. After you log into the system for the first time, you'll see a window that looks like this. In the top left corner, you'll see a Sites dropdown, and if you click on that, there's an Add Sites option. I'm going to select that and name my site Demo Site. And over here on the top right corner, we have Find Address or Place. I'm going to type in, you can type in addresses if you choose. I'm going to type in the name of the city that we're going to look at, which is Corvallis, Oregon. I'm going to close that. We'll zoom in just a little bit. You can see that this is Corvallis. I'm going to click this icon in the top right corner, which is going to let me select the base map that I'd like to use for this process. And in this case, I'm going to choose imagery, which is the Esri World Imagery base map. And then I'm going to zoom in on somewhere here in Corvallis. In this case, the site that I'm looking at is this site surrounded by this, this fence right here. And so the next step is on the left hand side in the Add New Sites dialog box. I'm going to click this little icon with the plus button, and when I select that, I'm now going to have a cursor that allows me to draw my initial polygon. If I click on each of these corners of this fence for this property and come over to about here, I can double click on the last point or the second to last point for my analysis, and the system will close that polygon. So if I double click here, you see that the polygon closes. Now I've defined my overall site boundary in the screening module. When I click Save here, the system is going to create this polygon for that site boundary, and I can adjust the transparency. And now you can see that we have a site named Demo Site with an analysis area, and the system has created our initial survey unit within that site that matches the site boundary. And that's going to be useful in our survey unit delineation process, which is the next video in this series.